Alright, so I pulled the 2014 Chevy Silverado into the garage here, and the goal this morning is to put a, no kidding, real 12-volt cigarette lighter and socket into the center console. And while I'm at it, I think I'm going to put a USB QC3.0 fast charger with a battery voltmeter and switch in there too. So let's get to it. Alright, good Saturday morning to you. I just ripped out the center console on the 2014 Chevy Silverado, and I'm doing some modifications, kind of updating it, all that. Taking this thing out was relatively pretty straightforward, and what I'm doing is I just removed the two 12-volt power sockets right here that came with the truck. These aren't cigarette lighter sockets. These are just 12-volt power sockets. So I went down to AutoZone and got a no kidding 12-volt cigarette lighter and socket here and just mounted it. And this was actually pretty much a direct fit. I had to use those reducer washers right here in the front and back. Let me show you. Get this in. See right there? And on this one, this hole right here, I had to drill out using a hole saw just a skosh to get a DC outlet here. This is a USB QC3.0, which will fit right in here. Okay, like that. Good to go. And this already has USBs right here, which are pretty much junk, you know, low power, slow speed. And this is the 120 volt, 115 volt, whatever AC outlet, which I won't do anything with that. But I want to be able to get a cigarette lighter, which you can also use as a 12-volt power socket, and this right here, so I can read battery voltage, turn it on, turn it off, and I'll let you know how it goes. I gotta do some splicing and dicing on the inside of the truck here. I'll show you. Pretty easy. Right down here, these two guys right here. So I have to cut into here to get 12 volts and put some little terminal ends on there. It'll be good to go. Plug everything back in. Alright, let's go inside the truck here and I'll show you my work and talk about a few little tricks of the trade. So I had to snip off the proprietary stock wiring harness connector points and put in some of these little terminal connectors. And when you're cutting, these are always hot, by the way, these two that go into the 12-volt power sockets. So don't cut both wires at the same time. You're going to be popping fuses and all problems. You want to cut one wire at a time and then put these crimp-ons. These go to the inverter. And this goes, hell if I know where that goes. I'll find a place for it. This is only for the USBs right here. So I'm going to blow this out and get everything connected and put back and test it out. See how it goes. Alright, mission accomplished. I got everything installed and tested out and it appears to be working good. I got the truck on right now. These meters right here, see how it reads 14.6? It's actually a 0.1 volt too low, and you can actually turn this meter off, which also turns off the USB fast charging. So if you don't want to run that, there. The AC outlet works. Let's try the cigarette lighter. There we go. Alright, woohoo! Works good, lasts a long time. I also checked these, make sure these were good. These are all good too. So just popped everything back into place and a lot more functional now. A lot more modern, fancy dancy schmancy. Alright, hope this helps you guys out. Wasn't too bad at all.